Hello everyone, today I will introduce our new product On-Grid GTI-D. This product, the biggest advantage is with the CT module. Today I will introduce what is CT model and how to transfer from the full model to CT model. After you buy our inverter, you will get an inverter, a display handle, and a current transformer. Okay, on the side of the inverter you will connect to the PV, and this side you will connect to the grid. All the loading also connect to the grid. Okay, after you connect, then you can power on the inverter. Now you can see the running light is working 1 second per time. That means it's a full model. Okay, it's a default, it's a full model. You can see this display will show the output voltage, output current, and output power, and the generating capacity and the generating time. Okay, now I will show you how to transfer to CT model. First you need to connect the current sensor. This one connect the sensor position, and this side you connect to the Allen cable of your grid. You must connect. Okay, then use a stick to pull the CT hole for 5 seconds until the two indicate light at the same time. You could stop. Then it will transfer to the CT model. So now we transfer from the full model to CT model. You can see the no current and no power. That means the CT model. Now let's see while we connect the loading. It's working now. It will have the current and the power. After we stop the loading, then you will see there's no current and no power. Okay, that's all. Thank you.